Seeing a blue screen instead while trying to watch your favorite show on ONN? Don't worry. Before you unplug everything in frustration, try this quick and easy fixes to get your screen back to normal. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are showing how to fix BSOD error on ONN. Whether it's stuck on the setup screen or just won't load anything. Let's get it fixed in minutes. Method 1. Check the power source. If your ONN device is stuck on a blue screen, start by inspecting the power supply. Always plug the device directly into a wall outlet using its official power adapter, avoiding using extension cords or USB ports. Try switching to a different wall outlet to rule out any issues with the current one. If the problem persists, test with another compatible power cable and adapter to eliminate the possibility of a faulty power source. Method 2. Always use the original power adapter. To ensure your ONN device runs smoothly, it's important to use the original power adapter and cable that came with it. Avoid connecting it to your TV's USB port or using third-party adapters, even if they seem to work, since they often don't provide enough power. Instead, plug the adapter directly into a reliable wall outlet and double-check that the cable is securely connected to both the adapter and the ONN device. This simple setup can prevent power-related issues and help your device start up correctly. Method 3. Avoid using TV USB ports. Make sure you are not powering your ONN device through a USB port on your TV unless the port is specifically rated to deliver sufficient power. Most TV USB ports fall short of the power requirements needed for stable performance. Using them can lead to issues like lag, unexpected shutdowns, or even long-term damage to your ONN device. For best results, always use the original power adapter connected to a reliable wall outlet. Method 4. Check the LED light. When you try to power on the ONN device, check that the LED light on the ONN device as well as the monitor or the TV. If there is no light, it may not be receiving power. In this case, try different power outlets. Method 5. Check for signal interference. Make sure your ONN device isn't blocked or surrounded by physical objects. Barriers between the ONN and your TV or monitor can contribute to blue screen errors and connectivity issues. Avoid placing the device behind the TV or near electronics that may cause interference, such as routers, microwaves, cordless phones, or other wireless gadgets. If your ONN model includes an HDMI extender, use it to reposition the device for better airflow and signal clarity. For optimal performance, try placing your Wi-Fi router closer to the ONN device to boost signal strength and reduce disruptions. Method 6. Check the TV connection. Make sure the HDMI cable is securely connected to both your ONN device and your TV or monitor. A loose connection can cause display issues or prevent the device from functioning properly. Double-check that your TV is set to the correct HDMI input, matching the port where your ONN device is plugged in. Also, inspect the ONN device itself for any signs of damage or loose fittings that could affect the connection. Method 7. Factory reset the ONN device. Find the small reset button on your device. It's typically located near the HDMI port or on the back of the device. With the device powered on, press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. While still holding the reset button, unplug the device from the power source. Continue holding the reset button for another 10 seconds. Still holding the reset button, plug the device back into the power source. Release the reset button when the recovery menu appears on the screen. Use the reset button to scroll through the options. When you reach the Wipe Data and Factory Reset option, press and hold the reset button to select it. From the next menu, select the Factory Data Reset option again using the reset button. Wait till the process completes. Once the wiping process completes, select the Reboot System Now option. Once the streaming device starts, you will be brought back to set up the page. Now set up your device. Method 9. Contact ONN support. If none of these methods work, reach out to ONN support. Their experts can guide you through advanced troubleshooting or repair options. And that's it. Your ONN should now be back to streaming without the blue screen of death. If this helped, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a quick fix from Silicophilic. Still having trouble? Drop a comment below. We read everyone and we are here to help. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.